I'm just so grateful. I'm so grateful for my platform and that I affect so many people's lives. This is all that I've ever wanted. And to have this platform for the rest of my life, like 230,000 subscribers. When I was a teenager looking at my favorite YouTubers, they all had that at the time because it was like 2008, and I just thought that that was the pinnacle, and for me it just feels like only the beginning. There are so many souls that I want to change. I just want people to know that they are limitless. That's literally all I want. And I'm so grateful that in my 20s, in my late 20s, I truly understood why I was put on this planet. And it is to make people deeply, truly, intrinsically understand that they are fucking limitless and that they can have anything that they want. Fucking anything. And I just feel so grateful that I was chosen by God to carry out this information. And I take it as pride. I wear it with a badge of honor, and I don't want to let anyone down, and I just want to do this to the best of my ability. You guys have no idea how much this means to me. No idea. It means more to me than it means to you. And your comments, your DMs, your emails, they fucking kill me. They fucking kill me in the best way possible, because I've had so many people say that they wanted to like end everything, and then they've seen my videos and they truly understood that they could change their lives. They were in fucking control. And to finally understand your purpose is just ethereal, I don't know the word, but you know what I mean. It's just everything. It's everything. It's fucking everything. So you have no idea how seriously I take this, and how every single one of your comments and DMs, anything that is directed towards me, that is pure and real, it affects me so much, and I'm so appreciative. Thank you so much, and I love you, and you've got this. You've got this.